people. As you can see, my my flipping rotisserie for the car has arrived. So we can get the car on this once this is all set up, and we can flip the car over. But we've got to finish off the roll cage first before we flip the car over, because it makes no sense trying to flip a car over while you're trying to do a roll cage. That's the setup. That's how they look. Yeah. So we just got to figure out the mounting points when we do finally get the car up and on it, so that we can just flip it over. We'll use some of this, and yeah, we're good, we're jiggy. This is the final section of the interior of the car. So literally just this boot part here. That's all I've got left to prep. Just put some spray on, take all this glue off from the sound deadening. Yeah, and then we're there. Right, that's the boot, just finished. Quick little prep. Obviously this is gonna get prepped properly, sort out any little dents and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just the initial taking off of the sound deadening glue and just prepping any bare metal areas, getting it clean basically, yeah? But yeah, all these little dents that you see there, that will all get prepped and they'll all get done and dealt with properly. And then this will all be smooth and nice. But yeah, that is the boot all finished. That's the rest of the car done as well. So yeah, no more nasty glue, no more sticky residue everywhere where the sound deadening used to be. Okay? Hello, you currently join me in the afternoon. I've only just got to the garage, but we're down here and we're about to do some work on the EG, okay? I'm waiting for Yoda. He's gonna come in the middle of the week. We're gonna finish the roll cage. So rather than just sitting around twiddling my thumbs and not doing nothing, I am gonna get some of the welding and some of the other little bits that I have to get done on this EG done today. So, no need to talk, let's just get on. So, if you can see here, there is a recess in the side of the car where the strips used to go, yeah? I'm smoothing that over, not the recess. We're keeping the recess, we're keeping this, but we don't want the holes where the clips used to be pushed into. So, the jobs for today: get these welded up, get these holes gone, yeah? Also, that recess continues on these doors, if you can see. So we're gonna pull these doors out today, take the door cards off and get them welded up too. Right, I'm quickly just gonna clean up this welding table, get some of this little surface rust off of it, because it was just sat in the built JDM garage. Yeah, not weatherproof, was just collecting a little bit of surface rust. And I'm OCD, so that being said, let me just quickly buzz it down just so it's nice and shiny, and then when I finish using it, I'll treat it so it doesn't rust like that again, innit? That was heavier than I was expecting it to be. Or maybe I'm just feeling weaker today. First things first, let's get this door card off. so we don't set fire to it when we're welding on the other side, yeah? I'll make some templates. Little square piece of metal. We're gonna pop them in there, yeah? And we're gonna weld. Fill them up, grind them down. Jobs are good one, yeah? Okay, so basically, this first one, we're not putting any template in there. We're just gonna fill that up with some filler rod, yeah? We're literally just gonna fill this up with some filler rod, and that'll be the first one done and out of the way. Okay, so for these ones, we're gonna make templates and cut them out of the metal that we got over there. So, they're all the same size. So let's just start by making one template, and then we'll just recreate that over and over and over. That's the little metal template, yeah? All I'm gonna do is just stick that on from behind, and hopefully by the time we get a tack on it, the tape will just burn off anyway, and we'll be left with the metal in the hole, yeah? Cool. That was a pain in the ass to do, but okay, we're there. Not the cleanest, because yeah, like I say, that was a bit of a pain in the ass to do, but still nice and flat, easily grindable. Right, there you go. I fixed that one. It's all sorted now. Yeah, they're all welded up, ready for a skim of filler. A little bit of a blend, all right? But that's how they look once you've done the welding. Just got to do that one tomorrow now. And them last three on the side of the car, all right? So, all I'm gonna do now is pack up. I'm not even gonna pack up. I'm just gonna go home, forget packing up. I'll sort it out tomorrow. Being as I'm gonna be using all this stuff again tomorrow anyway, so I might as well just do it packing up once the job's finished, yeah? So, like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that stuff, yeah? If you can't do all of it, at least do one, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying already. I don't even know if I keep saying it to you, yeah? So, that's what we're on. Peace, I'm out. Have a good day. Good morning. Let me not gas too much, people. Yeah? This is just a continuation of yesterday. So I ain't gonna stand around chatting, doing some big long intro. Let's just continue getting all these things welded up and done. You know the procedures. Let's keep it moving, yeah? By the looks of things, The inside of this door's been touched more than the crust in the loaf of bread. Everyone touches it, but nobody wants it. That piece is called the hoe. Okay. Quick one, guys. Windscreen man, just come by quickly. I didn't film it. Not everyone wants to be on camera, remember this, yeah? But look, he's took out them rear quarters for me, yeah? Rear quarters are all out of the car now, so we can crack on with the body and that like we're doing, yeah? So, let's get this welding done, yeah? That's them all ground down. Because I'm not hitting them with filler straight away, I'm just gonna quickly cover them with some rust inhibiting primer. Just because these are gonna be sat, so until I'm ready to sand this all down, sort the doors out, put the filler on, I don't want them going rusty, so yeah. We're just gonna hit them with some primer quickly, okay? By no means is this our final finish. By no means this is what it's gonna look like, alright? So just calm yourselves down, alright? These are the last three that I just gotta get the welding done on. Put these little plates in. Obviously that's getting filled, blended, but yeah, that's the welding done. It's 5 o'clock. I'm finished. I've done all the welding, doors are all done, side of the car's all done, even tidied up the garage. Yeah, don't really know what else to tell you. Nah, serious talk. I got everything done that I wanted to get done. Made good time today. I'm just happy all the welding's done. I ain't got to redo any of that. That's all done and sorted. And yeah, man, I'm literally finished for the day. I'm gonna go home. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Fucking aeroplanes. If you can't do one, at least do all of them. No, that's not it. If you can't do all of them, at least do one. These planes are messing with me, man. It's gonna be like the running joke of the channel, innit? Every time you hear an airplane, you're gonna see man scatting out and that. But yeah, all right, cool. I am off, finish, finito, done. Cool, I think I need some new tracksuit bottoms. What's going on?